like this. I'm going to show arms up and I will take on show arms. Good job. Come up with him. Come up with him. Show arms. Come up, show arms. Okay. What you're doing at the back of my whistle, I want you to come. I want you to come. Back. And you run. Run. Like that. You get that? When I blow my whistle, you come first. When I blow my whistle, you come first. Come up. Done. Done. Okay? So, when I blow my whistle, then you go there. When I blow my whistle, you do, then you go there. Come up from there. Come up and run. Touch. Go back. Run and touch. Next. Go, don't stop, go. And come here. Run this one and go. Touch and come back. Push back. And you go back. You go back to your position. You do. And then you get the job to do it. Go, touch and go. Whatever all you do, touch and go. Go. Take your time, go, because there's slippery. Go. We're going wrong. It's our time, we're running wrong. Right inside, yeah, go wrong. Come on. We're going wrong. Let's go, come, let's go. Back to everybody, right, go. Inside, go, you're going in center, right, it cuts through to anybody, go. Just run wrong, fella, just run wrong and you'll take it up. That's my map, that's it, go wrong. That's it, pass the ball, take your time, that's it, control. The marker is not taking younger to step on the marker. Inside, go up to outside, make sure you don't go outside, inside, yeah. Inside the marker, move. Control and pass, control and pass. When I go my whistle, stop, go wrong. Come on, go wrong. Go. Go on, don't do anything, go wrong. Control and pass, back to it, go. Done. In your position, everything. Put it back to it, Back to it, bong, very bong. And go to the boy, bong. Go to them. Back to him, just put it back. It ain't no power thing, just send it back to him, run to back. That's it, back to him, let's go. Then go to them, Glenn. Go to them.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Come, Glenn, do that good one. Just take your time and send the ball in the report. Take your time and send the ball, right? Take your time. Go. Bounce, let me see, bounce on wrong, bounce. Just take your time and put it back to the man. Put it on there. Very wrong. Let's go next side. Next side. I have nothing twice.
You see that I have nothing twice. You want to do it properly?
If you make you out, I didn't say I have nothing twice. A simple thing.
Once you mistake one, go back to the table.
Take your time. Left side, let's go. Bounce, let me see. Bounce, let me see. Bounce, let me see. We know the mud is heavy, but we bounce, let me see. Bounce, let me see.
Oh boy, it's control. Let's go down.
whole Canaries Grassroots concept is, it's a program where we take some of the younger kids. It's a program for the kids in the community that's less fortunate because, we live in a poor community and not everyone can afford, football games and stuff like that. No, but we engage the youth in practice sessions. Stapleton over there, you can see during the session of the kids. And what we try to do is we try to instill that bit of discipline. And with it being Action Weeks in St. Lucia, via the Fed Network, it's a time where you can get them to know about racism and racism abuse, xenophobia, as well as nationalism, extreme nationalism, and these other issues that we face in society. If you can look over, you can see some of the kids from the Canaries under 14 who will be participating in the semi-finals of the National St. Lucia FA National under 14 tournament. A number of these kids have made it professional, well, not professionally, at their age level you call it professionally, but they made it professionally, playing in the city leagues for various clubs, where they get really well represented, and an exhibition for national team. So it's just, we need to just really pray and hope that any of these kids make it big any day.